Today we got a shipment from an eBay store of Mini GT. It's in a Kaido House box, but I don't think that I have any actual Kaidos cars. Well, maybe I do. Oh, maybe they're all. Oh no, I have a couple here. So this is the eBay seller. I would recommend that you buy stuff from him off of eBay. It seems like it is a bit cheaper than buying it directly from his website, even with that 5% discount. But the seller on eBay, they do amazing. So I would highly recommend their eBay account over the website. But, I mean, go check out the website and you can decide for yourselves. All right, first up, we got the Ducati Panigale V4S W Ducati Girl. So I looked everywhere for it, and this is the only place that had it, and he had it for the lowest price. So I'm excited to get that. It's going to look cool. I like the fact that you got the little figurine with it. Of course, they charge you more for the little figurines no matter what set you buy. Next up, we got Datsun. What do we got here? Kaido House Mini GT. A Datsun 510 wagon 4x4. Pretty excited to get that guy opened. We're not actually going to open anything this video. I'll do it on the next video probably. Just showing what I picked up. And we got a Porsche 911 GT3 Guards Red. It is a very deep red. It's cool looking. It's definitely a different red than what I was expecting, but it is pretty nice. It is pretty nice looking. Definitely excited to get that. Porsche is going to be my main car that I collect. Oh, and I had to get this. This is way cool. Everybody else was sold out, but he still had this in his eBay store. It is the Nissan Skyline GTR R34 Kaido Works V2 Aero Japan Police. I would love to see them make an American police car. That would be very cool. Maybe an actual SUV American police car. But I'm excited to have a police car made by Mini GT. I do like police cars. Hot Wheels right now doesn't really have any cool looking ones, but hopefully they will come out with some new ones soon. Our next car is the Kaido House Datsun Kaido 510 Wagon Hanami V3. I'm sure I didn't pronounce that right, but that is a cool little wagon. I'm excited to open it. So thanks for watching, guys.